Hi everyone, I am Pratima. I welcome you all to this video. So today we'll talk about life skills. Life skills are abilities for adaptive and positive behavior that enable individuals to deal effectively with the demand and challenges of everyday life. Life skills are ability that facilitate the physical, mental, and emotional well-being of an individual according to the World Health Organization. Now we know that a skilled person produces quality result by using less time, energy, and resources to do a job. Similarly, a person skilled in with life skills can lead a smooth life, solving problems of life. So life skills education is also important for our adolescents. Adolescents are young people. They are agents of change in our societies. They are a resource to be nurtured, trained, and developed into productive citizens and leaders of tomorrow. So they have the right to be in safe and supportive environment to accurate and age appropriate information, guidance, and skills building. They have the right to participate in all matters affecting them in accordance with their age and maturity. So we cannot afford to ignore them. So effective education in the 21st century must provide a harmonious balance between academic education and practical skills development, technological as well as vocational education. In order to prepare young people for life and work in a rapidly changing world, educational and vocational system need to be reoriented to impact the enhanced range of life skills in the students. So this will enable them to manifest their inner potential and with confidence and competence to face the challenges of the life. Moreover, adolescence is a period of rapid development when young people acquire new capacities and are faced with many challenges of life. So life skill education for adolescents is very crucial for developing psychological competency and interpersonal skills and help them in making informed decisions, problem solving, critical thinking, effective communication, building healthy relationship, and managing their lives in a healthy and productive manner. So life skill education is very much necessary. Now, why again we can say life skill development also play an important role in dissuading adolescents from restoring to high risk behaviors such as alcoholism, drug abuse, casual relationship when confronted with emotional issues caused by daily conflicts, entangled relationship, and peer pressure. Some of the common high-risk behaviors in adolescents are tobacco, alcohol, cannabis, opiates can lead to major illnesses or even death. This behavior is also related to accidents, violence, mental illnesses, and loss of productivity. The estimated number of drugs abusers in India is around 3 millions, and that of drug dependents is 0.7 to 0.8 million. 30% of drug abusers are in the group of 12 to 18 years, according to the National Health Survey, Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment in 2012. Studies on the spread of HIV indicate that the infection is moving out of the high risk behavior groups to the general population. Over 40% of reported AIDS cases in India occur among the young people in the age group 15 to 24 years. So, we should learn life skills to help the adolescents to have a smooth, safe life. So, let us discuss about the 10 core life skills according to the World Health Organization are self-awareness, interpersonal relationship, critical thinking, decision making, problem solving, creative thinking, dealing with stress, dealing with emotions, and effective communication. Now going one by one, self-awareness. Self-awareness includes our recognition of self, of our character or our strength, our weaknesses, our desires, our likes, our dislikes. Developing self-awareness can help us to recognize when we are stressed or we feel under pressure. It is also often a prerequisite to effective communication and interpersonal relation, as well as developing empathy for others. Next, critical thinking. Critical thinking is the ability to analyze information and experience in an objective manner. Critical thinking can contribute to health by helping us to recognize and assess the factors that influence attitude and behavior, such as values, peer pressure, and media. Next is problem solving. Problem solving enables us to deal constructively with problems in our life. Significant problems that are left unresolved can cause mental stress and give rise to accompanying physical strain. Next is creative thinking. Creative thinking contributes to both decision making as well as problem solving by enabling us to explore available alternative and various consequences of our action and non-action. It helps us to look beyond our direct experience, and even if no problem is identified or no decision is to be made, creative thinking can help us to respond adaptively with flexibility to the situation of our daily lives. Next is decision making. Decision making helps us to deal constructively with decisions about our life. This can have positive consequences for the health of the young people when they actively make decisions about their own health practices by assessing different options and the effects of different decisions. Next is social life skills. First is interpersonal relationship. Interpersonal relationships helps us to relate the people we interact in positive ways. This means man being able to make and sustain friendly relationship, which can be great importance to our mental and social well-being. It may mean keeping good relationship with family members who are an important source of our social support. It may also mean being able to end relationship constructively. Next is empathy. Empathy is the ability to understand what life is like for another person, even in a situation that we may not be familiar with. Empathy can help us to accept others who may be very different from ourselves. This can improve social interaction, especially situation when ethnic in a cultural diversity. Empathy can help to encourage nurturing behavior towards the people in need of care and assistance. Next is effective communication. Effective communication means we are able to express ourselves both verbally and non-verbally. It may be appropriate to our cultures and situations. This means being able to express opinions, desires, also our needs and fears. And it may mean being able to ask for advice and help in a time of need. Coping with stress. Coping with stress means recognizing the source of stress in our life, recognizing how they affect us, in acting in many ways, help us control our levels of stress by changing our environment and lifestyle, and learning how to relax. Dealing with emotions. Dealing with emotions involves recognizing our emotions within us and others, being aware how to influence the behavior, and being able to respond to them appropriately. Intense emotion like anger, sadness, frustration can have negative effect on our health if you do not respond appropriately. So these are the life skills we need to develop in our life. We all use life skills in different situations, such as to negotiate effectively at home, school, workplace. We need to have thinking skills as well as social skills. When we face with difficult situation, we tend to think critically, to analyze all the pros and cons of the situation, to think out of the box, to find a solution to seeming difficult problem. So children must learn to use a particular skill, to develop a particular skill gradually, effectively in diverse situations to cope with challenges of life. Thank you for watching.